Let's go to bowling. Come on. Come on, put it away. Put it away, honey. I'm going to leave you all by yourself in the bedroom. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are you going to come? Well, I got to put it away. Put it away, honey. Put it in the drawer. It's got to stay in the drawer. That can't come to bowling with us. All right, bye-bye then. Are you going to come now? Go put it away then. Go put it away in the drawer. Okay, let's go. And we can go downstairs and get your shoes. No? No shoes? Come on, honey. Let's go. Come on.